morning, children. Welcome back to first year. So, in our previous class, we discussed about voice. In the topic, I discussed what is called subject and what is called doer and what is called active voice and what is called passive voice, clearly given through the notes. So now I am going to discuss about persons. Already I told you there are three persons in English: first person, second person, and third person. First person pronouns are I, we, second person pronoun is you, and third person pronouns are he, she, it, they. Clear? So now one side active voice, other side is passive voice. Here in active voice, I is subject. It is in passive voice is me. So I subject. The objective form is me, and we becomes us, and you becomes you. He becomes him. She becomes her. It becomes it. They becomes them. They becomes them. Write the table, please. So here the subject I becomes me, we becomes us, you becomes again you, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it, they becomes them. Right. Next. So in English we have three main tenses in English: present, past, and future. And each and every tense has four subtenses are there in English. They are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Let us see here once. Here main tenses are three. One, present. The second one is past, and third one is future. Okay, and subtenses are four. What about the simple? Second one, continuous. Third, perfect, and fourth, perfect continuous. Here these are main tenses, these are subtenses. Now let us create 12 tenses. How it is possible? Let us discuss now. Take the main tense present, add 4 like this: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Totally we have 4. And let us start past. Past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. 8 tenses. Let us start the future. Future simple, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous tense. Totally we have 12 tenses are there in English. Let us discuss once again. Main tenses are 3. They are present, past, and future. And subtenses are 4 in number. They are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. According to present, 4: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Let us start about past. Past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Then future. Future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. And totally we have 12 tenses are there in English. I am going to ask one question. Get ready. How many main tenses are there in English? Your answer is 3. Yes, you are right. Present, past, future. And what about subtenses? 4 subtenses. What are they? They are simple, continuous, perfect continuous. Totally we have 12 tenses are there. So among 12 tenses, how many tenses are possible to convert from active voice to passive voice? It is a question to you. So totally we have 12 tenses are there. Yes, we discussed now. Among 12 tenses, how many tenses are possible to convert from active voice to passive voice? మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం ఇప్పుడు ప్రధానమైన టెన్స్ 3, ప్రెజెంట్ అని, పాస్ట్ అని, ఫ్యూచర్ అని. వాటికి సబ్ టెన్సెస్ 4 ఉంటాయి అనుకున్నాం. అవి సింపుల్, కంటిన్యూస్, పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అని చెప్పేసి. అయితే ప్రజెంట్తో మనం 4 యాడ్ చేస్తే 4 అయ్యాయి, పాస్ట్తో మళ్ళీ 4 యాడ్ చేస్తే 4 అయ్యాయి, ఫ్యూచర్తో మళ్ళీ 4 యాడ్ చేస్తే 4 అయ్యాయి. 3 4 12 టెన్సెస్ అయ్యాయి. ఈ 12 టెన్సెస్లో యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ నుంచి ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్ మార్చడానికి ఏ టెన్స్ పాసిబిలిటీగా ఉంటుందో చూద్దాం. హెడ్డింగ్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ passive form tenses are 8. How many? Having passive form tenses are 8. Do you know what about they are? Will you say? So they are 1. Present simple. The second one, present continuous. Third, present perfect. And the fourth one, present perfect continuous tense have no passive form. Let us start. The fourth one is past simple or simple past, for both are same. Past simple. And fifth one is past continuous. And sixth, past perfect. And the seventh one, future simple. And the future continuous have no passive form. And the eighth one, future perfect. And future perfect continuous tense have no passive form. So note down all these please. Write clearly.